3 in Sachin. It's around 2,300 meters, and yesterday we reached around 2:30 or around 3, and then we had our lunch and we rested for a while, and then we had dinner around at 7. Then we had a good tight sleep. After a sleep of around 8 hours, we woke up at around I'd say 5, and then we are almost ready. Our tents are getting packed up for our next stoppage, and the day looks somewhat like this. The clear is not as bright as it was yesterday, but I think it'll be great, because since it was too hot yesterday, it was kind of difficult to walk because the sun was directly upon us. But today I think it's quite pleasant, so it'll be a great walk. This is the kind of water facility we have, and it looks something like this. It's Sachin. For me ये बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा. Wow! This is the hot water for the day, but this is hot, and this is hot.
It's normal. It's not too hot.
I think I'll get the hot one. I think they'll provide the hot one.
जोरात धरायचे ना काय ते लागतंय काय माहिती. एक नंबर टाक ना डालू मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर है पड़ल और
कुछ सीखा है इसने. We are about to live now. Uncle is here.
आइए.
नहीं आप जाइए. All prepped up. Our bag is a little heavier today, and the road looks somewhat like this. We have to move upward. People are there coming. I'm crossing the bridge right now. This is the first bridge of day 3. We're about to reach Bangkim, the place called Bangkim, where we will stop for our lunch. We have already packed our lunch, and then we'll reach Sokha. That is day 3. She's also a guide. Say hi! Oh, Sarang! Hi! Hi! That's Sarang. Hi! How is it?
Yeah, awesome.
Jai Maharashtra!
Raghavji, do you see?
We are stopping at at places, and the places we are clicking some good pictures. They are, and it's a nice spot to stop by. And yeah, it isn't as difficult today, so it's a great day. I'm not tired at all. The weather is so good, and I feel so lucky to be here actually. After around 3.5 hours of walk, we have finally reached Bakkim, and this is our stopping point, and we're gonna have lunch. We have packed our lunch, and this is how it is. This is our food, lunch for day, and this is the view that we are getting to see from Bakkim. Food with a view.
It's pulao.
Food is heavenly.
I call it like मेरे मुंह में से जो आया but don't mind ना
क्या
क्या हीरोइन बोला ना मैंने तो
तो डोंट माइंड क्या है, सही में तो हीरोइन है वो।
let's sing ना now she's recording let's sing
अरे गाओ, तुम भी स्टार्ट करो। हमें लिरिक्स नहीं आती है।
you are the singer
लिरिक्स तुम्हें आती है।
क्या करूँ मैं?
रुको रुको, आ गया।
अभी
ना तुम जानो ना हम. So we are now kind of moving from Bakkim. We had good food. They had some good dance and music.
Yes.
And we have kind of we have kind of recharged ourselves. So in about 2 hours, we're gonna reach Sokha. That is our final stoppage for today, and we are all now set to go. I'm feeling a little cold right now, so I've put on a jacket, but I'm sure after I walk for a while I will feel hotter again. And there we have an uncle. He's 66 years old, so it's kind of great that he wants to do this, resting too. I wish like we could unload those bags for some time for them as well. कैसा लग रहा है अंकल? खाना खा लिया आपने? ठंड लग रहा है क्या? थोड़ा देखना।
ब्लॉगर है, बड़ी ब्लॉगर है।
हाँ नहीं, बड़ी तो होंगी अब।
कोई बात नहीं, बड़ी बन जाओ।
हाँ, so good to meet him with the song. And I'm not leaving him again. I hope he doesn't leave me now. अब कति छ सोखा?
तब छैन अब एक आधी घण्टा।
Aww, the song is too good. Sonia, what happened?
Nothing.
ऐसा बोलो नो पर देना माया भाइ डराउनु पर देना त्यसैले नै Sumit, इधर.
शुभम।
You said Sumit आगे.
No, शुभम।
Shubham. You are my Sonia. So much fun. I would have totally regretted had I cancelled the leave and not come here. लड्दैनौ कुद्दैनौ
हिँड्दै आउनु नि नकुद्नु लो 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 कुद
शेर्पा गर्ल मेमे
मेमे मेमे मेमेको नाम चाहिँ के पर्यो होला पेम्बा
पेम्बा मेमे लास्टको पहाड इज दार्जिलिङ
अलि बेलुका त छँगै
त्यो तारा मात्र होइन जुन पनि झारी दिउला मेरो माया नौनी जस नाच्यो बिहे गर्छु आउने सालैमा बिहे तिमीलाई देऊ मलाई How's the Josh? Hi, sir. How's the Josh?
Come on, Shubhangi, आ जाओ। वाली जंगल वाली।
ओ जुगनी यो।
पटाखा गुड्डी यो। यो।
चलो गाइस
how's the Josh, guys?
Hi sir. अपन जाएगा आगे से।
After 6-7 hours of continuous laughing and smiling and dancing and talking and smiling and unconsciously walking, we arrived Shoka and it was a great day.
So welcomed with a tea and a biscuit. This is how it looks like. The tent is like this for today, and that's a beautiful place out there. So we are yet to see the places, explore the places. I guess we'll explore a bit there, but this is the view from here. It's beautiful. So this is Shoka, and this is our tent for today. Groups are staying up there as well. So Shoka it is believed, let me walk fast, come down fast. Shoka, these homes believed that the Tibetans from Tibet, they kind of came through the passes and first settled here, but these are now like kind of abandoned houses, but still in use for the trekkers. This is a kind of trekker's hut, and it's hot, and if any one of us is kind of sick or if they are feeling cold or something, then they can pay 200 per night and then use the hotter ones. So that's the facility that they provide. And also, if anyone is wondering about the washrooms and all, so far we have gotten really good washrooms, and if any one of you is planning to come from the 2 days of experience, I can say that you don't have to worry at all about the washrooms. It's pretty good. As like while we were briefed, he said that don't go with so much of expectations, but whatever services we are getting provided, I must say that it's way better than we expected. No? Let me introduce her again. She's the trekker girl.
And I'm dying to be on the frame all the time.
Yeah, but I am not able to get her in the frame because I don't see her in the trail. Like I always see her after we reach here.
But
she's like
vlogging, no? It takes time.
No, I'm not vlogging all the time. She's like, I don't know how is she able to walk. There's Sherpa Meme. खाना पकाउनु भयो बेलुकाको खाना पकाउनु भयो This is I think this is a mess kind of. No? हामी यही बसेर खान्छ बेलुका देखाउँदा हुन्छ देखाउँदा हुन्छ
भिडियो मात्रै गर्नु
अरु त के चाहिँ गर्नु मोमो
I know.
पटोल
कहाँबाट हो यस्तो एक्सपिरियन्स
समाजबाट
समाज
समाज चाहिँ
Wow. So nice. Show the storage. Yeah. These are our stocks for 10 days. So we are gonna have capsicum some days. It's a small sneak peek inside the kitchen, which is, I'm not sure if it was allowed or not, but at least I asked the permission, so they allowed it. And it looks somewhat like this. This is how it looks. So we are here sitting for our Maggie, a little snack before a short tour there.
That's an end to an episode 2 that was from Sachin to Shoka. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and I just want to thank especially to Pemba Meme for his incredible company and his best music collection. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned ahead for more exciting and interesting episodes. Until then, bye bye.